Aain AA041 creeper seat toolbox with storage mechanics roller seat with drawers garage rolling toolbox creeper with wheels. Capacity and size 300 pounds. Ball bearing slider drawers width 6.5, 165mm, x depth 10, 255mm, x height 2 to 3/4, 93mm, storage under seat 9 3/8, width x 11 3/4, depth x 2 to 3/4, height. Mechanic drawers with ball bearing slides on both sides and a hidden under seat compartment provide extra storage space. Bracket design screwdriver bracket and tool tray on the front gives easy access to frequently used tools, while the one-spaced pegboard on the back transforms the seat into a rolling tool cart. Swivel casters 4 2.5 swivel casters move easily across rough shop floors. It's fully padded seat to add the fully stability and comfort during the use. Grab bar. This part makes it easy to pick up and move the seat around the shop. This is the rolling works tool that also functions as an organized tool chest. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.